Naughty Brothers.
Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's Sean from Naughty Brothers, and today we are doing a tech review of the Amvr facial interface for the Quest 3. Now, this is not a paid promotion. We will be doing paid promotions on this channel eventually, but I actually just wanted to upgrade my facial interface from the stock facial interface that comes with the Quest 3. And yeah, I've had this for a week now, so I just wanted to give it a review and let you know if it is worth the upgrade. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so I did put everything back in the box to make it look like I'm unboxing this, but I've actually had this for a week now. But when you open up the box, it comes with your facial interface and two different cushions. One is a pleather type cushion, which is really soft and but also firm, where it does feel like you do get some cushion on there. I do like this one a lot, but yeah, because it is pleather, it does get a little bit warmer. And it's also easier to clean. You can just take wipes to it and just wipe it off. However, it also came with this cool foam strap, which I actually do prefer, but because it's like kind of like a meshy material, sweat actually absorbs into it, so you would have to wash this after using it for a few days or so. But I do actually prefer the way this one feels when I'm playing a lot longer or if I'm watching movies, but I do switch back and forth between the two. Now, the cool thing is you can replace the face cushion with the other face cushion whenever you would like. It's just a Velcro strip, so you would just peel it off and then put the other one on. I find it's easier if you start from the bottom and just kind of thread it on that way, and that way it just kind of fits on there perfectly. But yeah, I thought that was really cool. And so yeah, the interface is well built. As you can see, there's actually vents on the top and vents on the bottom, which will give you just some added airflow. But also, if you do upgrade your head strap and it comes with a fan attachment, the fan will be able to breathe through those vents onto your face as well, which I think is pretty awesome. It also came with this nose flap, which I personally like, or I should say I don't really mind it that much. It doesn't bother me too much, but what it does basically is it gives you more immersion by blocking out all the light. I'd say that at 99% to 98% completely blocks out the light. There's just a sliver of light that comes through there that I've noticed, and it may vary depending on the size of your nose, but I actually like this feature quite a bit. But a lot of comments say that, it comes off really easy. You might lose it. Some people don't like the way it feels. And so I can understand that completely. So it is removable. So if you do want to take it off, you can remove it. And the stock one doesn't have one on there. So if you're kind of used to your stock one, then you can just take that off and you don't need to use it whatsoever. Now, installing it is really easy. It just pretty much pops on. So first I'll show you how to uninstall your original one. And so basically you want to grab it from the bottom. I feel like it's easier to pull it off from the bottom. There's 4 tabs, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. So you pull one from the left side or the right side and you pop that off, and then you just kind of pop the top off and it comes out pretty easy. Now, when I put it in, I like to put it in from the top, but I guess you could do from the bottom too. I just feel like it kind of pops in a little easier from the top. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It comes on right away, pretty easy. And yes, once you put this on, you will notice a huge difference almost immediately. I loved it. As soon as I put it on, I was like, yes, this is what I wanted to buy. And it did exactly what I was hoping it would do. However, I know that the next upgrade I will be getting is a head strap, so we will be doing a follow-up on that with the head strap. But right now, with the stock strap with this new interface, it feels great. It's definitely an upgrade and it's awesome. So should you buy this interface? I think so. I definitely think so. If you're upgrading from just the stock interface, it makes a huge difference. For me, at least. I do have big cheekbones, I have a big nose, and I was feeling pressure on my forehead after playing with the stock interface for over an hour. I don't feel that anymore. This feels really nice. I actually do prefer the cool gel one over this I guess it's kind of like a pleathery one. The pleathery one does get a little warmer than the cool gel one, and I do like the cool gel one, but I do switch back and forth. However, from doing a lot of research and reviews that I've watched myself, I know that to get the best out of your interface is to also replace the strap the stock strap with a new strap. And so I do have a new strap that's coming, and so I will do a follow-up video of how the interface feels with the new strap, and then also a video of the new strap. And so I did order the Bobo VR S3 Pro Super Strap, and so I'm super excited for that. Should be coming in a week or so, and then I'll make a follow-up video on that. So, but hey, if you did like the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in another verse, the metaverse.
Nani Brothers.